Hello dear children, I am Rishi Patel, your social studies teacher, and as you know that we have completed 2 lessons in geography, and now today I am going to start the first lesson of history portion, and that is when, where and how. So this is the first lesson of history, and in this part we will see the process of development of India, okay, then something the location of India, and we also know about that how the India is developed in the present situation. In the ancient time it was the boundary that we have today, okay, was not the same. So India was called the Great Bharat or Bharatvarsh, okay, and today we have some neighboring country like Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, okay. So in the ancient time these all countries were all together, okay, and they were called the Bharatvarsh, okay, and those countries, like I would like to show you the map here. So you can see this map, and in this part you can see that this is our neighboring country Afghanistan, okay. We all know this is our neighboring country. Pakistan lies in the western side of India, okay. It is our neighboring country Nepal, okay. It is Bhutan. This is Bangladesh, okay. Here we have Myanmar, but it was not the part of Indian subcontinent. So it is 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5, and sometimes Sri Lanka and Maldives, okay, were also considered as the Indian subcontinent. So now these are different countries or separate countries from India, but in the ancient time these all countries were together known as what? The Great India or the Bharatvarsha, okay. And actually in this part we will see that how our country got its name, okay. Bharat, India, Hindustan, we all know that there are different names of our country, and in the ancient time there were different regions that India got its name, okay. And the main point by which our India got its name was the Indus River. I would like to show you the location of Indus River. So we all know this is Indus River, इसी के आसपास के एरिया में ये फ्लो होती है, ओके. एंड at last it merges with what? Arabian Sea, okay. This is Arabian Sea, we all know, okay, Arabian Sea. And first this Indus River originates and flow through India, okay, then flow through Pakistan, and last it merges with Arabian Sea, okay. So the name of the river was what? Indus. What? Indus River, okay. So the traders who came in our country, okay, and for those traders, Arabian, Greek or some other traders, okay, so when they enter in our country through some passage or through this part, so they saw this huge river, okay, and they used to say that it is what? It is a country of Indus, okay. Indus, Hindu, okay. So because of their pronunciation we have different names, okay. Like if we see Indus, okay, so in general pronunciation we say Indus, but the Greeks or other traders they used to pronounce it what? Okay, Hindu or Hindu, okay. So our country got its name what? Hindustan, okay, the place of Indus River, okay. As well as Indus, it has 5 tributaries. We all know Indus has 5 tributaries. It is what? Satluj River, Byas River, it is a Chambal River, then we have Indus, Jhelum, okay. So these are what? Some rivers, okay. And basically Indus and its 7 tributaries especially, including Saraswati rivers also, which is now not exist today, okay. It is dried up. So this is 7 rivers. So this place was known as what? Sapt Sandhav, okay. Sapt Sandhav means what? That it is a area including Indus River, okay, and its 7 tributaries, okay. So 7 tributaries means Indus, Saraswati, Jhelum, Ravi, Satluj, Byas and Chenab. Okay, so these all 7 rivers was known as what? This area was known as what? Sapt Sindhu area. Okay, so India was also known as Sapt Sindhu Kshetra or Sapt Sindhu area. Okay, because the invaders or the traders, they used to settle down here in this part only, and they believed that it is a part of India, and they did not know what about this part, so they used to say our country what? Sapt Sindhu area. Okay, and there are some others name like Bharat also. So we all know that the son of Raja Dushyant, okay, he was a very brave person, and our country also got its name, okay, by the Prince Bharat. Okay, so there were so many regions about the name of our country. So dear children, in the next part we will see detailed about the history of India. Okay, how this country was developed in the past. Okay, and how we have the present structure of India. Okay, so in the next part we will try to understand all the remaining topics. Okay, thank you so much.